Hello learners, now here is a question from straight lines I would say, because you have straight line involved. Now what is the question is, see, whenever you see a question, try to analyze what is the data that you is given, and also what approach you will go. See, for example, see how I am going through. Let the triangle PQR be the image of the triangle with vertices, one like these are three vertices and their images are PQR in the line x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now what does it mean? Listen carefully. There are 3 points. This I'll take it as A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Now if A is here, its image will be here. Its image will be here. This is P. Okay. Next, B. Let's say B is here. B is here. Its image will be somewhere here. Okay. Next, what is the point? The point is C. The point is C. I'll make it a bit more specific. See, we are still in understanding of question. Okay, we are still into understanding of the question. C is somewhere here. It's a rough diagram. Okay, it's a rough diagram. Don't take things too seriously. It's a rough diagram. So if I go here and there, I hope you know what's an image, right? Mirror image. Yeah, right. So this is my C. This will be my R. What they're telling is, PQR be the image of the triangle with vertices in the line. Okay, like if I'll get images of these points, I will get PQR. That's what it means. I hope you are able to understand what it means. This is the line x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. If the centroid of triangle PQR, now they are telling, we need to find out centroid of triangle PQR. We have to find out centroid of triangle PQR. Then it is alpha comma beta. Then 15 times alpha minus beta is how much? Now see, if P is the reflection of A, Q is the reflection of B, R is the reflection of C. Okay. So the centroid of this triangle, let me call it as G2. Okay. Centroid of this triangle will be a reflection of centroid of original triangle. Once again, I'm telling, this is an important point. Centroid of this triangle, our required triangle, will be image of centroid of original triangle. This was the key point in our question. You got it? This was the key point, man or woman. Okay, this was a key point. Okay, in this entire question, if you could understand this question is very easy. Still, it's a little lengthy, but fine, it's okay. So this was the key point. First, you need to understand this. Now, once you understand, right? Now, first ABC, centroid is what? X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. You'll get centroid. After that, image. You can find out image of the centroid, right? With respect to the line, there is a formula H minus X1 by A is equal to. So, in your mind, you should get a clarity what you are going to do. With this clarity, if you will do the sum, there is a very good chance that you will be successful. But sir, then what should I do if I do not have any clarity? Very simple. You will understand at least 10% or 20% of the sum, right? So use that and write down some information and get some data. From that, think, okay, what else can I do? This is how we approach JEE Mains questions. Let's get started. So A is, I already told you, PQR are images with respect to X plus 2y. Then the centroid of triangle PQR will be the image of centroid of triangle ABC. I already told you this. Now centroid of triangle ABC is 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3. 6 by 3 which is 2, and 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 4 by 3 which is 8 by 3. Makes sense right now? Now we have to find the image of 2 comma 8 by 3 with respect to now this. There is a formula. Okay. In this series, I have introduced someone known as Formula Man. Okay, I have introduced someone known as Formula Man. Formula Man, please give us the formula. Here is the formula. Okay. Now, how to use it is, see, this is the point x1 comma y1. This is the point x1 and y1. This is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a is 1, b is 2, c is minus 2. Okay. H comma k is something which we need to find. H comma k is something which we need to find. Now, let's apply the formula. already explained to you what it is. Now h minus 2 by 1 is equal to k minus 8 by 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c means in this line put this point. In this line put this point. Minus 2 into 1 into 2 plus like x 1 into x, right? So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 8 by 3 minus 2 divided by 1 square plus 2 square. Okay, now let's start simplifying this. The thing about questions nowadays is like they're a little lengthy. You get bored, right? If you are, let's start solving this. These two are already kind of, you can take LCM here. 3k minus 8 by 2 into 3, this will become, if you take LCM, 3k minus 8 by 2 into 3. Next, what 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 8 by 3 is 16 by 3. And this will become h minus 2 by 1 is equal to 3k minus 8 by 6 is equal to, now see here, plus 2 minus 2, hoi 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 hoi, cancel, yo. So what will I get? Minus 2 into 16 by 3. Minus 2 into 16 is minus 32 by 3 into 5. These two will get multiplied. What I'll get is, this is what I'll get. Minus 32 by 15. Now take this as one case and take this as another case. Not case exactly, split it and get the values. H minus 2 by 1 is minus 32 by 5. 3k minus 8 by 6 is minus 32 by 15. Okay, hard workers, come on. We need to put in effort. Okay, come on. Effort putters. There's no such word. I just made it up. Effort putters or hard workers or what else can we say? Or perseverers, perseverers. Okay, fine. Let's move on. So h minus 2 will be minus 32 by 15 and 3k minus 8 is 6. You can send it here, minus 192 by 15. And h will be 2 minus 32 by 15. 3k will be 8 minus 192 by 15. Now if you'll take LCM, 15 2s are 30, 30 minus 32 is minus 2 by 15. 15 8s are 120, 120 minus 192 minus did I make a mistake? Yeah, this will be 3k is equal to, did not put that step. 3k is equal to minus 72 by 15. Now again 3 1s are 3 24s are, so k is minus 24 by 15. So I got h and k. This is what is my alpha and beta. Yeah, this is what is my alpha and beta. Question is almost done. Now they asked 15 into alpha minus beta. Alpha is minus 2 by 15. Beta is minus 24 by 15. So minus of minus is plus. 24 minus 2 is 22. 22, 22 cancel. 22 and option 4 is correct. With this we can sleep. No, not exactly. We have to keep putting effort consistently, constantly, never ending effort, because the exam in which you are trying to write, you are competing with people throughout the country, man or girl. Okay, so what else? You can just go through the description. You might find a WhatsApp group there. If you are interested, you can join. We can interact over there if possible, and that's it. Thank you.